Alright, so here are 11 super useful examples for ChatGPT. Number 1, use ChatGPT for songwriting. So I find it easy to come up with stories I want to share in my songs, but it's challenging for me to turn these stories into proper song lyrics. Hey ChatGPT, I want to write a song based on the following story. The song should use modern emotional language and be structured in a typical hit song format. Here's the story I want to share. The day my girlfriend left me, she cut holes in all my clothes in the morning and scattered them all over the house. She kept screaming that I had ruined her life. Strangely enough, that was the most relaxing and liberating day of my entire life. I don't know why. Even though her yelling was really annoying, I felt like a huge weight was lifted off my shoulders. While she was still in the house, I calmly went to the kitchen and cooked some chili con carne. She suddenly started packing her things, moved out, and drove away. I never saw her in person again.
Wow, that's quite a story.
And in a matter of seconds, here are the lyrics. So that's great. Yeah, because I think I can come up with a melody here, but now I have some lyrics and I'm usually very bad at writing song lyrics, so that's a great point. Next, use ChatGPT to help you articulate. I often have difficulties to articulate my thoughts and explaining what I mean to others. I have a lot of thoughts, but it's hard for me to express and share them. When I share my thoughts with ChatGPT, it understands my broken English, my complex ideas, and where others might give up trying to understand me, ChatGPT is patient and makes my thoughts easy to understand for others and even clearer for myself. So, check this out. Try to follow my thoughts, and I bet you will lose them. Hey, ChatGPT, I do have a problem with my camera. And the problem is that the battery dies very early. I'm in the middle of the recording and the camera suddenly dies. So what I tried now is I got another audio interface for my computer that also powers my camera or has the ability to power my camera using a USB-C adapter or USB-C cable. And I tried this, and this is great now. So my camera does not die anymore. I don't use the battery. I simply use the power from my audio interface. But now my audio interface itself doesn't work anymore with the microphone that I usually attach to it so that it records my audio. So I have a camera now, but no audio anymore. So what should I do now to get the sound back for my audio interface? But first of all, make this very easy. Explain this very easily to me because I need to share this problem with my friend.
Hey, it sounds like you've got a bit of a tech puzzle there. Your camera's battery was draining fast during recordings, so you switched to powering it through your audio interface, which solved the battery problem, but now your microphone isn't working with the interface.
Correct.
To get your audio back, check if your audio interface has enough power to run both the camera and the microphone together. If not, you might need a separate power solution for your microphone, like using its own power source, or checking if your interface supports enough power for both devices simultaneously.
So great, it already gave me some suggestions, but at the beginning it summarized what I said, but in much easier to understand language. Next, use ChatGPT to see if you can trust a YouTuber or not. So here's a video of a YouTuber and he promised how to make $1,000 on YouTube. 3 realistic ways to earn money on YouTube. For me, this guy seems to be trustworthy and he says realistic ways, but I want to use ChatGPT to understand if I can trust this guy or not. So what I do, I click this video,
In the first video,
pause it, and then I copy the title. Now back to ChatGPT and ask a question. Hey ChatGPT, I found this video here on YouTube, and this guy seems to be trustworthy to me, but I'm not really sure if I can really trust him. I need your opinion on this. Here's the video I just watched. Okay, so now I paste the video title here, not the link, but the title to the YouTube video.
All right, let's break it down. 1. Transparency check. Sure, he mentions tools like vidIQ, but he might be getting a kickback from them. That's like saying your favorite soda is the best while sipping it on a Coke sponsored beach. 2. Result pitch. Saying others are cashing in with his strategy? Classic sales move. It's like those infomercials where everyone magically loses weight just by using the gadget being sold. 3. Experience spin teaching and mentoring? Could be legit, but it's also a textbook move to build credibility. Like a chef saying they learned from grandma? Sounds good, but everyone's grandma isn't Gordon Ramsay. Trust barometer. Sure, take notes, but always check the fine print. Real talk, what works for one might not pan out for you. Keep your skeptic goggles handy. So trust with a pinch of skepticism. It's the internet jungle after all.
All right, thank you so much. Next, use ChatGPT to create YouTube videos. And you need to check this out even if you don't want to create YouTube videos. I have this prompt here, this mega prompt. And I link this down in the video description below for you to try. And check this out. When I submit this, ChatGPT starts asking me questions. So the first question is, what's the topic of the video? Yeah, and let's say tips for ChatGPT. And that's a great topic. Okay, thank you so much. What's the main idea? So it asked me like a couple of questions, maybe 5-6 questions, and then it creates the video script step by step for me, also in multiple steps. And the reason why this works is because I told ChatGPT, yeah, you are an expert in creating engaging YouTube video scripts that attract viewers and keep them hooked. And so on and so on. And then I say, start by asking me about the topic of my video. Important, wait for my response. Yeah, and then it waits, and then I give the response, and then we go into the next question. So that's a great way to use ChatGPT. And what I like about this, it's like more, you are in control, but it's still like passive. So ChatGPT does the heavy lifting for you. Next, use ChatGPT to craft super prompts. So what I just showed you is something that I call super prompt. And because you can find this in the description below, you can adjust the prompt to your liking using ChatGPT. Check this out. Hey, ChatGPT, please adjust the following prompt so that it's not for creating YouTube videos, but for crafting a business plan. So then we paste our prompt from before, and ChatGPT starts. Sure, here's the prompt. You are an expert in crafting comprehensive business plans that attract investors and guide entrepreneurs in structuring their ideas effectively. Great. Yeah, let's compare how it was before. Before it was, you are an expert in creating engaging YouTube video scripts that attract viewers and keep them hooked. Yeah, it's great. So of course you can make some adjustments, and sometimes it makes sense, but it works really, really good. Like it asks for a market analysis, business model, marketing strategy, financial projections, and you can adjust this prompt to whatever you need it for. Let's try another case. Hey, ChatGPT, please adjust the following prompt so that it's not for creating YouTube video scripts, but for planning a wedding. Again, I paste my super prompt, and now it starts with, you're an expert in planning weddings that are memorable, beautiful, executed, as well as assisting couples in organizing their ideas effectively. Wow. Next, use ChatGPT to help you decide who you should vote for. So, if you're like me, I'm not up to date with politics, it's not my topic, I'm not so familiar with everything, but I think it's important to go and vote. Also, I don't want to spend too much time with it, like researching and reading all the articles. Also, I'm not so sure if these articles are biased or not. And so what I like to do is something like this. Hey, ChatGPT, we have election year and I don't know who to vote for. Can you help me?
I can help you understand the candidates and their positions. Do you want info on the main issues or specific candidates?
Okay, that's great. So I want to share my values with you, and I want to do a search which candidate fits best with my values.
Sounds good. Share your values with me, and I'll help you find the best match.
So for me, it's very important to be tolerant in life. And I also love advancements in technology. So I need a candidate like and a party who pushes this forward, innovation and supports tolerance and open mindedness.
Got it. I'll find information on candidates and parties that support tolerance, open mindedness, and technological innovation. Give me a moment. For a candidate who values tolerance, open mindedness, and technological innovation, consider the following: Democrats. Joe Biden supports technological advancements and has pushed for regulation in the crypto space, aiming to balance innovation with consumer protection. Republicans. Ron DeSantis is a strong supporter of cryptocurrency and has promoted tech friendly policies in Florida, though his stance on tolerance may vary. Vivek Ramaswamy is known for his pro crypto stance and emphasizes innovation and decentralization in technology.
So the thing is, I live in the US, but I'm not a citizen.
Understood. You can still be informed and support causes and candidates that align with your values.
Next, use ChatGPT to analyze your YouTube success. If you have ever uploaded a YouTube video, you probably know YouTube Studio. And this is where you can see your analytics and see how your videos perform. But there are a lot of numbers and you can click in many places and get deeper insights, and it's very hard to understand what this really exactly means. So the good news is you can simply ask ChatGPT. I click here in the bottom left, take a screenshot, and now ChatGPT can see what's on my screen. And now let's ask a question. Hey ChatGPT, you can see my YouTube analytics, and I want to get more views for my YouTube videos. And please let me know how I should improve my videos so that I get more views.
Got it. Your audience retention isn't looking great. The drop off rate in the first 30 seconds is pretty high. This means viewers are losing interest quickly and clicking away, which isn't good for your video's performance. To improve this, you need to make the beginning of your video more engaging. Start with a strong hook or teaser to keep people watching. If you can keep viewers past that initial drop, your retention rate should improve, leading to better overall performance for your videos.
Oh, great, thank you. Okay, that's a great tip. That really helps me. Next, use ChatGPT to decide which airline you should book for your next trip. Let me show you. Hey, ChatGPT, I have an upcoming trip from Los Angeles to Frankfurt, Germany and back, and I need you to help me which airline I should book. I want to fly non-stop, I want to fly premium economy, and of course I want it to be as cheap as possible, but it should also be a quality flight. So which airline should I book? Please respond short and give me only one decision which airline it should be.
Lufthansa.
Okay, thank you. Why Lufthansa? Give me a short response.
Lufthansa offers direct premium economy flights from Los Angeles to Frankfurt with a good balance of quality and price.
Okay, thank you. So that's definitely true. From my experience and research, Lufthansa is the best choice for this flight. Next, use ChatGPT to start an online business and increase your chances of success. Let me show you. Hey ChatGPT, I want to start an online business. I want to invest as little as possible, maybe $100 max at the very beginning. And I also need a business model with the highest chances of success. What should I do? How should I start? And what online business should I start? Please also respond very short.
Hey Thomas, starting with $100, consider dropshipping or print on demand. They're low cost and don't require inventory. Pick a niche you're passionate about, set up an online store like Shopify, and market through social media. Good luck!
So, but how can I increase my chances of success? I heard a lot of this print on demand or drop shipping, but it seems to be spammy to me. Is it really a great thing to do? And how high are the chances of success? Please let me know what I should do that I can have the highest chance of success.
Sure thing. One crucial thing to increase your chances of success is establishing a feedback loop. It's essential because it allows you to gather insights from customers, adapt your strategies, and improve your products or services continuously. Here's how it works. A feedback loop involves collecting feedback from customers through surveys, reviews, or direct communication. This feedback helps you understand what customers like or dislike about your offerings. By analyzing this information, you can make informed decisions to enhance your products, adjust your marketing strategies, or improve customer service. This iterative process of listening to customers and making improvements increases satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately, your business's success. Companies like Facebook, Tesla, Apple, and Google leverage feedback loops to innovate, refine their products, and stay competitive in the market.
Okay, thank you so much. I think that's really great advice. Hey, ChatGPT, I tend to overthink so often in so many areas of my life, no matter if it comes to business decisions, personal decisions, what I should do with my girlfriend, what I want to focus on next professionally, and so on. Because I always have like a great idea, and then the next day I'm overthinking this and thought, oh no, I can do this or that, and so on. Do you have some advice for me? What can I do? And please respond short.
Hey Thomas, overthinking can be a real productivity killer. One tip is to set deadlines for decisions. Give yourself a specific time frame to think about something, then commit to making a choice. Also, trust your gut instincts more. They're often more reliable than you think. And lastly, focus on taking small, actionable steps instead of trying to plan everything perfectly. What do you think?
Okay, great. I think the last one is great.
That's awesome to hear. Taking small, actionable steps can really help keep things moving forward.
I think ChatGPT is very good for life advice. Next, use ChatGPT to find diamonds in Minecraft fast. Hey ChatGPT, how can I find diamonds in Minecraft very fast?
Hey there! To find diamonds quickly in Minecraft, try mining at lower levels, like Y coordinate 11 or below. Use iron or diamond pickaxes for efficiency. Also, use techniques like branch mining or exploring natural caves to increase your chances of finding diamonds. Happy mining!
Great, thank you so much. And because I'm recording a YouTube video right now, can you please make an outro and ending and thank my audience for watching and my subscribers?
Sure thing. Here's a simple outro for your YouTube video. Thanks for watching, everyone. I
Correct.
hope you enjoyed this Minecraft diamond mining tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials. See you next time.
See you next time and click here to watch the next video. Thanks so much.